Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ST coming to you with another video. So today I'm with my girl Jasmine.
Hello.
So just so you guys know, we're both early childhood educators. So yeah, we're both educators and we just want to basically just let you guys know different activities that you can do with your children at home, because we know that it's obviously gonna be boring.
Yeah, and we're just gonna do activities like we do at the center we work at.
Yep.
So it's something that the kids love, especially school-age children, older children. So we're gonna give you some tips and tricks.
Some things you can even make it easier for younger children too.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just talk about different ideas and different things. And just so you guys know, I'm gonna be putting her handles down below, and I'm also gonna be putting a link to some of the activities that you can try, or recipes to some things that we're gonna be talking about. You can just go check it out. If you like it, you can do with your children, but we're gonna get right into the video. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, comment, let me know what you think about it, and yeah,
do it.
So I'm gonna start with the active play. So basically you can do different kind of tag games. My favorite is freeze tag. That's my favorite.
Yes. Or a big favorite was toilet tag. You could play in your backyard. Just because you're in quarantine doesn't mean you can go get fresh air. Fresh air is the best.
Yeah.
And toilet tag, if you have more than 2 or 3 children, it's so much fun. Yeah. So basically with the tag,
yeah,
it's like regular tag, but you sit down, literally you put your arm out like a toilet, you flush it, and then you could take whoever is down, they can tag it, flush them, and they get up. Yeah. So it's super fun. The kids at work love it.
It's easy.
Love it.
It's easy. And obviously freeze tag is when you get tagged, you freeze and everything. For you to come back in, someone have to unfreeze you, or you can do a different version of it. But freeze tag, the kids often love that too.
Yeah.
And then we have the classics, hide and go seek in the dark. I think that's a little twist. You could do that.
Yes, or bring flashlights in. I love that.
That flashlight is really, really cool. Even with your phone, if you don't have flashlight, you can use your phone. I'm sure everyone has smartphone. Yeah, I'm sure. And we have Duck Dog Goose.
Oh yeah, that's more for
little kids.
Even older kids sometimes love playing that.
Yeah.
As an adult, I love playing that.
Honestly,
yeah,
you can do it all together.
Game.
Red light, green light, indoor hopscotch. You could do scavenger hunt. You can even turn it and make it like an ABC scavenger hunt, so you can have little letters going around the house, or you can have even numbers and stuff like that. And even for the little kids, you can make a little different colors and different pictures and stuff just to change it up.
Oh yeah.
Hot or cold, you hide something or you hide, and you just basically say you're getting hot, you're getting cold. So stuff like a dancing competition. I know the kids love dancing.
Honestly, I know this is I shouldn't bring up electronics, but TikTok has so much dance stuff that the kids would absolutely love. Also with Just Dance, if you don't have a Wii or anything, search it up on YouTube. You can find all the Just Dance dances on there and follow it.
Yeah.
It's they'll love it.
They love it. And even musical chairs, limbo, all that falls on the dance
or musical hoops. We did with hula hoops.
That one was really good.
Yeah, with hula hoops. You can do it with anything as long as they go around it. You can make it as anything at home as long as it's safe.
And then we have memory games like telephone. We have puzzles, board games. And do you remember the I Spy with My Little Eyes?
Yeah.
Blah, blah, blah.
And a board game that wasn't our school age kids love is Apples to Apples.
Apples to Apples, yeah.
They love that game. It's so much fun. You can search them online too, just little cards, flashcards online with that. They love it, and they love any board games. They love, especially when you play with them. The adults, it'll make it. So much. It'll be so much fun. Fun. Sorry, it's not word, but they'll love it.
And then we have games like Pictionary. We have Hangman. If you have a whiteboard, a little whiteboard, you can use that too.
For sure.
You can use pen and paper, whatever you have. And then Thumb War.
Oh. If you have nails like this, you can scratch them and they will complain, even though it's by accident.
So no.
Thumb Wars for me, no. But for others, and another game that I made with my kids, our kids at work, was the Name 3 challenge. So you can just put little games name 3 things, the game on Ellen, the 5-second rule.
Yes.
I put it on a paper. They love it.
Yeah.
Just make little games up like that, and that they have to think and guess things. Name 3 chocolate bars, and they have to name it in 5 seconds. They love that.
Yeah, I know they always bring out that box.
Really, what the kids say is so funny, and it's just adults in general. If you play with your kids or babysitters, whatever, they love when they love that. It makes it 20 times, 1,000 times more fun. Yeah, when you play with them.
And then we have charades. I know I love charades with the kids. It's so much fun. We have Simon Says, That one's pretty easy.
We
I
use
feel
your
like
name too. Like
Yep.
Jasmine says, Esther says. They thought it was so funny when I was like, Jasmine says such red. They thought, yeah, they love it.
I know, and even the other time I was telling the kids, I was like, Esther says clean up the gym, or Esther says go wash your hands, Esther says pick up your toys. Like, I feel like that way you can even get them into actually doing chores, and it's actually still fun for them.
Or time them. They love when we
Time them. Like, put a timer on, done.
Like, we do that when we want them to get ready for outside, and they're like, oh no, we have 5 more seconds.
Yep.
It motivates them more.
A little competition, they like that. Especially with school age, because we work with school age too. So competition, they love that. So anything like that, it's good. Watching movies, so obviously like get different movies. You guys can make popcorn together and watch a movie and stuff like that. And then I was thinking also like even making a play out of that movie. So maybe when you watch the movie, they can act it out with you and then make a play. Someone can be the director and someone can be the actors and actresses. It would be literally so much fun for them just to dress up and just, you know what I mean?
Yeah, they love, like, we have like dress up clothes, like even just like your old clothes they could dress up with. Love it.
And if your kid is into building, that's a thing.
Yeah.
So we have Lego, we have blocks, we have different items from your house. Like,
and you could use loose parts like boxes, anything that if you can't, like, just say like you can't afford, or you know, like anything like that, you can like totally get like stuff that you recycle, and they'll love to build with it. Our kids love that. Yeah. And you could do like anything with it.
And just so you know, loose parts is literally recyclable materials. Like, so it doesn't have to be like,
could be some stuff from outside, rocks,
like puzzle, like leaves, like sticks, anything you have in your house, like cans.
They love it.
Cardboards and everything like that. So you can even use that for building. And then build a fort. I know our kids love building forts. Anything can be made into forts.
They love it. You can give them anything. You can build like blanket forts at home, cushion forts. Do a movie night in there. Love it.
A movie night with flashlight and everything.
Or like like have a little sleepover in the living room with forts. Love it. I would love that.
I was like, that's a good idea. I would do that. And then making a restaurant. I just feel like if you're planning dinner, they can literally like help you make a menu.
Yeah, make a menu.
Yeah, they can literally be like a server.
Yeah, they love that.
They love the play. It's imaginative play, so they would love something like that. And then just giving them the chance to really like act things out, like act a certain role. I feel like that would be exciting for them. And then like creating a musical instrument together.
Yeah, save like toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, like, and they'll love to do that. Or Kleenex, you can guitar, anything like.
And now that everyone is collecting toilet papers now, I feel like it's gonna be
literally
there's gonna be empty rolls.
All the stuff you guys are stocking up, keep it. Your kids will love it. Literally.
That is loose parts, by the way. That's loose parts.
We're not trying to drag you guys. We're just saying, like, you guys are collecting it, and it's all sold out everywhere. Might as well make use of the recycled
Exactly. And like you can put corns in them, and then it will be a little shaker. Yeah, and remember like that because now we're getting into like Easter and all that stuff. So they're like Easter eggs and stuff like that. Put a little rocks or put a little like popcorn in there, whatever you want, or beans. A little shaker. That's an instrument.
Yeah.
So they would love stuff like that.
Love that.
So and then creating a racetrack out of like household materials. You can use tape. You can use food cans to make a racetrack. Anything you kind of want, you can make ramps and stuff, so their car can go down and up and stuff.
Like old wood pieces. Just be careful, obviously, with slivers and stuff. But you can watch them. They'll love that. Marble ramps, all that.
Yeah.
I love it.
And then you can make an aquarium. So basically, all you need is like a paper plate, and then you cut out little fish, and then paint it, and put a saran wrap over it, and then that will be a little like aquarium, and you can draw the water and paint it and everything like that. So that can be a thing if they love art and stuff like that. So that can be
and one thing, don't be stingy on how messy they are. Kids love getting messy, and you can always clean
up.
it.
It's okay to be messy. I feel like
play is the best play. Your kid will have the best time with it if it's messy. If it's paint, slime, anything, it's clean. Like, you could clean it.
You can clean it.
It's the best. Like, kids love getting messy, and you just have to enjoy it with them.
Yeah.
Like, don't think about, oh my gosh, I have to clean that after. Who cares?
And like, they're learning a lot of things from that. That's sensory play, right? So we want to obviously make sure that we're encouraging stuff like that, because I know us as adults, it's easy for us to be like, oh, I don't want to do that. That's too messy. But you have to understand the kid is really engaged in that play. So that is like a good thing. You want to make sure they're enjoying what they're doing, like a little teachable moments while they're being in that play.
And you teach them like, okay, we're gonna clean, like afterwards you can say like, come on, we'll clean up and we'll
together.
give you something else. Yeah, I encourage them to clean, because when you're like telling them, oh my gosh, we have to clean this now, like stop making a mess, it's not gonna make it fun.
It's not fun. No one likes that. Nobody likes that. Just so you know, nobody likes that. Okay.
Yeah.
No one likes that.
Nobody likes that.
Like if someone is always rushing you, like, oh, that's so messy.
Can you hurry up so I can clean it? No.
No.
Come on.
No.
Especially when they're cooped up at home for how many weeks now, with all this going on, like. You know, like, they're not gonna have that much, like, public play and all that. Let them enjoy it.
Just a PS, you can go to Dollarama, get a little tablecloth, get as much as you want, and just put it down, and then just let them play. When you're done, if you don't want to clean up, just fold it up. Yeah. Toss in a garbage. Done.
Garbage bags. Put
garbage bags. Exactly. Cardboard boxes and stuff like that. Put all that stuff down.
Let them wear old clothes. Like, it's
yes, old clothes. That's fine. Like t-shirts that they're not wearing anymore, like they don't need anymore. That's fine. So just let them be messy.
Every kid is messy, and you can't control that.
Sorry.
Yeah. Not to offend all you guys.
It's just what it is. Yeah. We know.
Yeah. Like, we get dirty too. Like, we get messy. It's part of life.
There's
a laundry. If it can't, it's replaceable.
Yeah. Everything is replaceable. It's not the end of the world. So yeah. And then another one I really, really, really like is What's in the Box. Do you remember that one? love that one.
You can make that literally, like what I've done in the past is make it out of like a laundry detergent, cut a thing in there, and you just like put anything like slime, squishy sand, and they'll guess what's in it. They love that. The fact that, especially something sensory and gross, like put cold spaghetti in there.
Sensory is the best. And I used to do this with the kids. I used to do this around like the Halloween time. I would put noodles. Remember, I put noodles and oil, which just sounds gross, you guys. And they would just feel it and like squishy things.
Especially when they're not knowing what's in it.
The best. And I'll be like, can you find this? Can you find, or how many things can you find? Or how many spiders, which is Halloween time, so I'll put spiders in the fake spiders in
not
there.
Real. Not real.
Don't worry, it's not real, it's fake.
Tarantula. No, I'm not doing that.
But just fake stuff in there, and I'll put it in there and be like, okay, what can you find? And can you do this? And they love that. They love a little challenge. They love sensory. And then another thing you can do write a story. You can write a story to grandparents. You can write a story to a friend. You can write a story to each other, to mom, to dad. Like, just a way to, like, obviously let them, like, express themselves and be creative. I think that is very important, right? Yeah. And then writing a book is also part of that. Like,
they love it. Just get paper, staple it 3 times
together.
And if it looks like a book, they'll get so excited. And you can get, if you have a laminator at home, laminate it for them.
Better.
The kids love when things are laminated. When we laminate stuff, they just think, oh my god, it's like official.
Yeah, it's published. It's official. My name is on it. Oh my god. And they start coloring on it. Like, it's literally the cutest thing.
It's so fun just to see their reaction.
And then they can do a talent show, so that you can do a little singing competition.
Yeah. Like, get a fake microphone, a comb. Come on.
Like, you know those like wooden spoons?
Yeah.
The best. Because I know I did that when I was little. The best. Let them go somewhere on the couch or something, just a little stage. Yeah. Or even have a stool, let them clap on the stool. Just have a little singer competition, have a little band, have a little instrument competition.
Use your instruments you built with the toilet paper roll.
Use your pots, use your pans, use your spoons. Anything can be an instrument.
They're gonna be at home for such a few weeks. Like, let them enjoy that. Yes, it's noisy. But come on.
I think that's really important. And then you can do face painting. I know you did a lot of face painting.
They love face painting and nail polish.
Oh yeah.
For boys and girls, just because nail polish is apparently a girl's thing. No, it's not. The boys at our work, at our center, love nail polish way more than the girls did.
I know, there was a lineup.
I got so excited at the fact that the boys, you can't like stereotype, you know?
Yeah.
So if you have boys, ask them if they want nail polish. They love it.
Yeah.
Face painting, they love it.
I agree.
Makeup, if you want them to, put the makeup on them, on boys and girls.
Or you can even say, like, how about you do my makeup? Like, you can tell them to do yours. And I think that's also fun, right?
So fun. They love being involved, especially like makeup. Like, kids love makeup. Like, they love seeing it on us. They want to put it on you. Like,
and then just stuff like that.
Their creativity,
And then they can do a little photo shoot with you. And this is time you can obviously be creative. You can have a little photo
Snapchat filter.
They love that. I know my nieces love those.
They love like the dog. heart.
Everybody loves that
Yeah.
topic.
Yeah.
It's
The heart.
crazy.
Like, do it. Like,
And-
don't let them on it a lot. Like, I don't encourage electronic time too much.
Me too.
But like, you know, like, let them enjoy it. They
And
love it.
one thing, if you don't want them on, like, obviously, like, using technology all the time, you can
Limit
kind of
timer.
limit timer, and
Yeah.
you can even kind of make your own filter. So you can even like do a cutout like a
Oh,
little dog,
that's
and they
good.
can hold it and you can take a picture of that. That can be a way you can like implement that, but not having them on the Snapchat app all the time and stuff like that. So that's an idea if you want to do that. And then we have creating a comic book. I know the boys in our center, they love doing that. Even the girls, even because they flip
Comic
that
book.
book. Remember the book they flip and it literally goes
Oh,
into
you just
like
get a bunch of sticky notes and they do it and it's like moving.
Yeah,
They
they love that kind of stuff.
Like,
and then I'm gonna go into craft and art, and I know we have a bunch, but I'm gonna be all over the place. But this is some things that I know that we know that they love doing, right? So flower pot craft, and I was thinking since it's all like springtime right now, so you can kind of do like a flower pot, like decorating it and everything like that. You can even plan.
Dollar store has like all those little pots that you can use. They can even gardening that can be attached to it. Like it help let them
help you out.
Get ideas. Like even though like where we are snow, but like if you think about it when it snows, like think about it. Like, let's have this plan on what we're gonna garden together. Like make a little indoor plant place.
Then painting with leaves, painting with potatoes, painting with apples, bubble wraps, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, you can paint with anything.
I know the other day, like I was painting with mud, and I put mud and I put like color paint, and then I added like a dish soap, and they were making tracks out of it.
Yeah.
I was like, wow, I didn't even
anything.
expect them to do that, but that is crazy. I thought that was
Like
a great
they have
idea.
Salt, like when you could do with paint and salt, sand, like and mud too. Like it's you can do it anything, like
Anything.
just like if you have not leftover food, obviously, but like
If you have things
like
that you
yeah.
just use them.
Yeah.
And then we know they like pet rocks.
We have like this thing here in Winnipeg Rocks.
Yeah.
So you paint it, put your name, and then you place it everywhere. Our kids love painting rocks, like, and there's rocks everywhere.
And they love try to find it. Like they love collecting,
And finding other people's rock, and then they relocate it. They love that.
Yeah, so just get rocks, paint it, write your name on it. You can even do a little scavenger hunt with it. Anything that can be added to your scavenger hunt stuff. So that is cool. And then paper airplanes. That was a big thing for us. Oh,
Paper. We had a club. One thing we did was we got a box and we cut out holes in it with points on it, and then the kids could put the airplanes through the hole to get points. So easy, they love it. The rainbow looms.
Rainbow looms. They love that.
Boys and girls
love that.
rainbow
If you have time, you can pick it up from the dollar store. Even has it, so pick it up, and then they will love that.
You can use rubber bands. Like, come on. Even though like it's gonna be huge, they can, if they know how to make rainbow looms,
they will just
and find like there's so much. Yeah,
I'll put something down. I'll put a little instruction on how to make it, and
so
a little
easy,
tutorial thing. And you can even search it up on here, like on YouTube. Like it's everywhere.
Or another thing is like kind of relates to that is shrinky dinks. Shrinky dinks. I don't know if you guys. I know it sounds funny, but
I'll put a picture up. You see what it looks like.
You can get it from Michael's or I think even dollar store. It's like plastic and it shrinks in the oven, and then they paint. You have to cut in a certain size. You color it, and then when you put it in the oven, it shrinks into like a little keychain. They love
cute.
that. Or like perler beads.
Yeah, with the iron and everything.
Yeah, you iron. It's like those special beads that you iron.
So much fun.
They love making that, especially into keychains. Or like you can do printables like Mario or anything, and they can make it similar. They love